Pixie is my trusted sidekick. She travels everywhere with me. She's a 12-year-old Chihuahua who thinks she's in charge of everything. She also thinks she's about as big as a Great Dane. But she travels everywhere, so you'll see her in many of the videos that we produce. You've hiked all day to photograph this gorgeous waterfall. Your gear is ready, you are ready. What do you do next? Believe it or not, now would be the time to take the time to assess and create a plan with a simple approach to get the best images possible. And for drone pilots, make sure there is always open sky above you in case you need an escape route when avoiding obstacles. Make sure to completely assess your initial location. It'll make things safer and help your photography too. And because you have a plan, especially when you are flying a drone, you know how fast to go, you know what's in front of you, you know what's on your side, so that if you are doing a tighter shoot, like this one here with the waterfall, you're able to kind of expect what's coming without seeing it. Again, with advanced planning, you're able to get the right angles at the right time. She may travel in high fashion, but Pixie is simply a great traveler and wants to go everywhere. Pixie may be a full-figured gal, but she's been healthy her entire life. The drive along Oregon's Highway 138 has many sights to see. In most cases, your first take will not be your best, so it's critical you shoot often and more often. This takes some discipline, but rewards you with some options when editing. And finally, of course, the photographer's best friend, exposure compensation dial. All cameras have them. If your image is a little light or dark, adjust it, just like we did here. The key is to adjust your exposure for the most important areas of your photograph or video. The camera does not see as well as the human eye, so you gotta have to help the camera along to figure out what's going to be best for the photo. And then, of course, our most important thing is we love subscribers. We love new subscribers. We love old subscribers. But it really does help us bring these videos to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.